Hi, this is Rachelle, and I wanted to pop on and share a couple of journals that I made. These are very simple, plain, no embellishments, ready for you to journal in, to create in, to do art, draw, add ephemera, whatever the case may be. But they are ready for that. They have a cloth cover and a cardstock inside cover. And I'm just going to flip through one and talk about what's in it. And then the other one, I'll just do a quick flip through. So it has a stitched binding. And these are standard size traveler's notebook size inserts. So approximately 4 1/4 by 8 1/4 in height. And again, cloth cover. They have like an ocean by the sea kind of feel. So this is what the front looks like. This is the back, just plain. You can add to your cover to make it your own. So here's this one on the inside. It says it's a good day. There's quite a bit of cardstock in here, but a good variety of papers. Then this with the shells and coral, lavender paper, a scale paper. This is some coffee stained old inserts, planner inserts. This is an old planner insert. Pink paper, some cardstock from that same collection. Seahorse cardstock, coffee stained paper, blue paper. More of the cardstock, stained paper. Then we have these two short pages or half pages, and then this is the center of the signature, and this is a single signature insert. Here are the other sides of the half papers, and this is just the other side of all the papers that we've already flipped through. So again, very basic, no pockets, no embellishments. It's ready to be filled up however you choose. So it has like a summery, beachy, by the sea feel to me. So you have approximately 64 pages, and that's front and back, including like these half pages. Okay, there's no closure, anything. Like I said, it's very basic, the bare bones ready for you to customize. Now here is the other one. Oh, and I also left the strings long, so if you want to add beads and charms, you have room to play, or you can actually cut those off. So this is the front and the back of this one. The edges of the fabric are unfinished, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but the cover is stitched around the edge. So we got your seahorses, your seashells, the stained old inserts, pink paper, this is the center of the signature. And this one has this flip out here. So I'm going to call this one Beach Seahorse because it has the seahorses on the inside. And this one will be Beach It's a Good Day. So both of these will be listed in the shop, and there will be a link in the description box below for them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.